Hey, what's going on guys, TZ here. This is part 2 of my FPS tutorial and lag, god damn it. But yeah, part 2 of my FPS tutorial. So, right, we got this scene basically. And what the main things you'll need is, say you click on a character in the something in the hierarchy. You hover your mouse over scene and then you press F and it focuses in on the thing that you was touching. That's what she said. Yeah, basically. So, but what we're really going to be doing today is firstly sorting out our project view. So, you right click in the project and then go create folder, and then first we're going to make a terrain folder. And I'll just name the terrain LV1. So just drag that into the terrain folder, and you've got to save the scene. So save scene as, and then also create a new folder for this. So new folder, and then scenes. Oh god, scenes, and go in that, and then name it LV1. LV1. It's easier to name a terrain, so then you know what's done that, and then you see that. Just double click on it and load it up, even though it's already loaded up, so it's pointless. And then go create folder scripts. So this is where we get to the main bit. Make the gun. Oh god, wrong one. Why did I do that? And then I'm just going to create a meshes folder, which is basically a 3D model mesh. So, what the hell? Oh, yeah. Let's ignore that error because it's pointless. We don't need it. Why would you need an error? Oh, my laptop has frozen. What the hell? Go away, stupid Skype. Right. Anyway. So let's basically get on with creating a gun. So for now I'm just going to use a cube as a gun, which is a bit retarded, I know, but yeah. And then so what you want to do, click main camera that's inside of the first person controller, press Control D, which I think is Command D for Mac, I don't know, and then rename it weapon camera. Yeah. And then you want to do click that, and then tag, and then click the tag thing, add tag, and then name it webcam. I'll just do that. So much easier, and then just do that, make it click it, and then yeah. So, and then what you want to do, you want to go up to there where it says layers. Okay, what the hell? There, thank you. And then edit layers, and then let's close that. Make a layer called gun. Right. So you want to make so the main camera cannot see gun, so just culling mask and then gun, and then you want to so the main camera cannot see anything but gun. So right, it's 3 minutes. So go game object. God, create. I'll just do a cube for now. Take off the collider, so right click that and then remove component. I'll just rename it weapon, no, gun. By the way, I did that where it like sort of moves by pressing control and then just dragging it across the screen. Yeah, if you just want to do that, then you don't press control. What the hell? Oh yeah. Notice depth as 1. Oh yeah, and depth only. There we go. And drag the gun into main camera. Just bring it down a little bit. Nope. Down. There we go. So now. press play, and then if we didn't have that main camera thing, weapon camera, it would just phase through the ground, the cube. So just got to delete the audio listener. Save all, blah blah blah, and then let's get to the scripting. Right, so game object, no, sorry, right click scripts folder, and then create JavaScript, and then I'll be annoyed if I got the wrong mic in. No, I haven't. Good. Name it gun. I don't know. But this will be basically, it'll shoot projectiles. But what you want to do really is, if it stops freezing, you want to go edit, preferences, and yours will not be on Mono Develop, it'll be on that. So what you want to do is go browse, where is it? Games, software, Unity, Mono Develop, and then there you just want to double click that, and then it will just set the default script editor to that, which Mono Develop is the better one. So, and it's taking a very long time to load up. What the hell? Okay, I'll just pause it while I try and load up Mono. Okay, I figured out why it isn't loading up. Right, you got to do, first of all, you got to do yeah, set sync Mono Develop project. That's why it wasn't loading up. And then it will basically create something that lets you use it in Mono Develop. So now let's try. Still nothing. Right. Right, Mono Develop has loaded up now, and you will get this probably. So what you want to do, you want to go to line 1 and then press enter a couple of, like 3-4 times if you want, and then type in var. You got to do capitals the way I do it and non-capitals. So, and then name bullet. It doesn't really matter. The word after var doesn't matter if you're using JavaScript. And then dot. I don't know if that's semicolon. I have no clue. And then is it? I think it's game object that you need. Hold on. Capital G, capital O, there, and then that the dot dot one, except that it's got a comma at the bottom. It's called a variable, basically. So what you want to do is if brackets input with capital I dot get with a capital G button down, like that. It will probably come up anyway. And then you want to do, I can never remember how to do this. I think it's just that. No, it isn't. It's that, I think. Put fire 1 with capital F. I can never remember how to do that. The input functions. Oh, what are you doing, Unity, you retard? Thank you. Yeah, there we go. Basically, capital F, fire, and then that, the open and close brackets, and then the same thing I had up there. That means it's calling a function named fire. So function fire, you got to spell it exactly how you spell the thing. So yeah, and you got to have those things there, or it won't count it as a function. So, and then type instantiate. Yeah, that's how you spell. I think that's how you spell it. And then bullet. Spawn. Oh god. Spawn dot position. And then instead of position, you got to put rotation. Rotation. And then just do that. You got to put the thingy at the end, and then we've got to do a variable named spawn, and then name that's got to be transform. I forgot the S. Right. So let's see if I did the input or get button down thing right. It's just compiling, and success. Right, so we got to drag the gun script onto our gun, so, and it'll come out with this. So we're going to scene view, game object create empty, and that will be, and just another main thing you got to do, you got to use these up here. So press the X view, and then that'll come up, hopefully. If not, I don't know why. And then Z view to go to the front, and that's dot in the middle, that's good. And then just name it up here spawn, drag it under the gun, on top of the gun, and then it'll become a child of the gun. So, and then go and click on gun, and then drag spawn onto the spawn variable. Now we got to create a bullet prefab, so let's create a new folder. Create folder prefabs. Save. I like to save every like 2 seconds. Better safe than sorry. Okay, that's a bit big. That's what she said. Lol. Not really, but okay. I'm sorry. Alright, so we've got to scale that right down. Make it tiny. Oh crap. Right. That'll probably do, and then yeah, it won't fire forward right now. So what we've got to do is component physics rigid body, and use gravities, just uncheck that. Right. And then name it, oh god, name it up there spawn. How long has this been going for? 12 minutes. Right, I can do 3 more minutes. Just drag that into the prefabs folder, and then it will become a prefab. Yay, you've just made your first prefab. Alright, so you can delete that out of the scene now, and then spawn. There. Nope, sorry, I did that wrong. That was a fail. What did I just do that for? Right, why did I name it spawn? What the hell? I'm going mad. Right, yeah, bullet, there we go. And then just drag the bullet onto the bullet. That sounds weird. And apparently I still have 2 audio listeners in the scene, even though I don't. That's retarded. Right, let's load it up. We should be able to shoot, but we can't. What the hell? Instantiate bullets. Right, I'll be back in a second. I will actually. Right, I know what the problem is. It's got to be no capitals, so just let it compile. Let me see. Right, I'll set that to rigid body instead of game object. So yes, and then first, let's make a new variable in the fire function. Name it bullet with an I. That's retarded, I know, but still. Right, I'm looking at the scripting reference for this. Let's find rigid body. It's not there. No, not drag rigid body. You're retarded. Right. So there's that, and then you want to do bullet. Oh, got the wrong one. Bullet equals instantiate blah 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 blah, and then bullet. Let's see. What is it? Bullet clone dot velocity. Yeah. I'll just copy and paste it because I'm lazy. Lol. So forward speed. Right. Var speed, and then put it equals 10. Right. And then copy and paste the speed thing onto that. Here we go. It should be right now, maybe.